Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to HubSpot Marketing Hub AI for automation, full guide step by step clearly. Once on the home page, locate the products menu at the top of the page. Hover over this menu to reveal a drop-down list. From this list, click on Marketing Hub. You'll be directed to the Marketing Hub page where various features and plans are showcased. Scroll down until you find the section that details HubSpot Marketing Hub AI. Review the features and benefits provided by the AI functionality. When you're ready, look for the prominent Get Started Free or Sign Up button. Click on this button to initiate the subscription process. You will be prompted to create an account if you do not already have one. Fill in your email address and create a password that meets the specified requirements. After filling in your details, look for the Create Account button and click it. You may receive a verification email to confirm your account registration. Check your email inbox and follow the authentication link provided. Once your email is verified, return to the HubSpot website and log in using your new credentials. After logging in, you will be taken to the dashboard. On the dashboard, navigate to the Pricing or Plans section for Marketing Hub. Select the plan that includes access to the AI features. Review the pricing details and the specific features included in that plan. You may be asked to enter additional information, such as your billing details. Fill in the requested information carefully. Once everything looks correct, submit your payment information. After completing the payment process, you'll gain access to HubSpot Marketing Hub AI. Take a moment to explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with the tools available. Consider utilizing the onboarding resources provided by HubSpot to maximize your use of the platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.